amongst poets, a scholar amongst debaters, and a wonderful, eloquent orator in the form of Sri Uve Karunakaracharya Swami. He is Sri Bhashya Simhasanam, Shastra Sahiti Vallabha, Pravachana Simham, Upanyasa Simham, Vidvat Mani, Deshika Darshana Chudamani, Sur Kondal, BE, MTech, MA Sanskrit gold medalist, and I think I can just go on and on with Swami's loads. Swami is well versed in many languages like Tamil, Sanskrit, English, Hindi, and many more. Today he would be rendering an Upanyasam on Govindam Paramanandam in English. What could be the content of this Upanyasam is what we are going to listen. But one thing I can assure to all of you is that we are going to be experiencing Paramanandam after listening to the Upanyasam. May we have Swami on stage, please.
प्रापकायास्तु नमः श्रीनिधये नमः श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि पुत्रिणे चिदचित्पित्रा पौत्रिणे परमेष्ठिना सृषावते जगन्मात्रा वात्स्याय गुरवे नमः यस्मिन् पदं यदि पदेर्वदनारविन्दादि निद्रामदेव निधते निगमन्तभाष्यम् तस्यैव तं भगवतः प्रियभागिनेयम् वदामहे वदविष्णुपदाभिधेयम् सत्कुर्वता संसदि शिष्यवर्गान् अनन्यलभ्यैरखिलैस्वचिह्नैः श्रीभाष्यसिंहासनमात्मनीनम् यस्मैतदत्तं यतिशेखरेण यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये प्रपद्ये तङ्गिरिं प्रायः श्रीनिवासानुकम्पया इक्षुसारस्रवन्द्ये वयन्नूर्त्या शर्करायितम् हरिः ओम् वषट्ते विष्णवास आकृणोमि तन्मे जुषस्वशिपिमिष्ट हव्यम् वर्धन्तु त्वा सुष्ठुतयो गिरो मे यूयम् पाद स्वस्तिभिः सदा नः किन्तुणै मधुमत्तलर्मகள் தனக்குவின்பன் நட்புவிதனக்கிறைவன் தந்துடையாய பாவைன பின்ன தனக்கிறை மற்றையோர்க்கு எல்லாம் வந்துணை பஞ்சபண்டவர்க்காகி வாயுரை தூது சென்று எங்கும் என் துணை என் துணை என் துணை எந்த தந்தை தம்மானே திருவல்லிக்கேணி கண்டேனே யதப்சுதே சரஸ்வதி கோஷ்வஸ்வேஷு யன்மதோ तेन मे वाजिनीवति मुखमन्ति सरस्वती नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नमस्सदसे एतर्हि भगवतः सप्तगिरिनिवासस्य श्रीमतः परमानन्दस्य आनन्दमयस्य गोविन्दस्य पद्मावती प्राणनाथस्य परया कृपया अत्र मुंबई महापुर्या आनंदे परमानन्दः इति शीर्षकः उपन्यासः महद्भिराज्ञप्तेन दासजनेन अस्मिन् पवित्र सन्दर्भे सम्प्रति प्रस्तूयमानः वर्तते। समेयं समाहितचित्ता भूयाश्च भूत्वेम उपन्यास संशृणुध्वम् श्रुत्वा च तस्यैव भगवतः आनन्दमयस्य परमानन्दस्य आनन्दविमाननिलयस्य कृपया अखिलान् अभीष्टान् हितान् मनोरथान् समवाप्य सभ्रातृपुत्रबान्धवाः ससुहृज्जनाः अनवधिक ऐश्वर्यसम्पन्नाः आयुर्युक्ताः आरोग्यपूर्णाः समुल्लस्त इत्याशास्य आनन्दिनो भवत इति पुनरपि आशास्य आनन्दे परमानन्दः इति इमोपन्यासमारभे. Dear devotees of Lord Venkateshwara, the topic chosen is Paramananda in Ananda. I have been told, for the benefit of all of us, so that all of you also derive the bliss from this lecture, the lecture has to be in English. So I am giving the lecture in English. Now, one thing, whenever I start talking English, I remember an anecdote given by a friend of mine about this. English and my wife, I love both of them so much, but I have little control over both of them. So it may so happen that my English is not up to the grammar standards, but I am sure you will forgive because you are devotees of Lord Venkateshwara, because he always forgives. So now the topic I have given as Paramananda in Ananda, and you see this Paramananda. There is nobody else other than Lord Venkateshwara who can be Paramananda. And the Vimana in which he gives darshan, which he is even today a tenant only. Please understand, whenever you get some land in Mumbai or some land in some place on lease, there is nothing wrong in it, because even Lord Venkateshwara is only on leased place. That 100 square feet under Ananda Vimana, he has taken on lease from Varaha. The whole hill belongs to Varaha Avatara. When Lord Venkateshwara came there to settle, he demanded some place for his stay, and Lord Varaha gave him 100 square feet land, and the rent given for that, do you know what is the rent? He put two conditions. After some time he will be very popular, and in Kali Yuga people will come and seek your darshan, but you will bless them with whatever they want, only first they have darshan of mine. That is the rent. Rent is you should first go to Swami Pushkarni, and on the banks of Swami Pushkarni you should have a worship of Lord Varaha, then only your attendance Tirumala is registered. Otherwise the rent has not been paid, probably Venkateshwara may be penalized by Varaha Gupta. So kindly remember, rent is paid by first darshan of Varaha, and then you are offering something, specially an item made of milk, to that Varaha Murti. This is said in Puranas. So this is the Ananda Vimana in which Lord Venkateshwara resides and blesses us. And I am giving another view of the gold-plated Ananda Vimana. Why it is called Ananda Vimana? It is called Ananda Vimana because it hosts Lord Venkateshwara, who is Paramananda. Why Lord is Paramananda? Because he resides in Ananda Vimana. What is this? You are confusing us. See, if you have got a gold bracelet, you will store it in a box which is not made of gold. You will store it in a box which is of a cheaper material. Your Lord is stored in Ananda Vimana. So Ananda Vimana should be cheaper than the Lord. Lord should be Paramananda. That is why he is Paramananda and he is housed in Ananda Vimana. What is this Ananda of the Lord? How much bliss the Lord will have? How will you measure the bliss of the Lord? Lord is said to be Paramananda, full of bliss. Anandamayo Bhyasa, Brahma Sutras say. But how do you gauge, measure the amount of bliss Lord has? For this, Upanishads tried a method. That is called Anandavalli. Parasara Bhatta, a great Acharya, sums up the Anandavalli Satam in one shloka, which for your benefit I will read, but subsequent lectures of mine in English will be only explanation of this. The sloka runs this. Matyotthayam virincha muparicha utpreksha vimam samana rangendra anandavalli tava gunanivaham yavanananda purvam na swartham sprashtu mishte skharati pathipadam mukalayam vililye hantaivam tadgunanam avadigananayoho kakatha chittavachoho. This is a sloka addressed to Ranganatha. But here Ranganatha is the greatest devotee of Lord Venkateshwara. So that sloka Ranganatha by Parasara Bhatta we have told. Mr. Ranganatha. But we are changing it to suit Lord Venkateshwara. Sloka I am changing it. Matyotthayam virincha vadhika muparicha preksha vimam samana Srivasa anandavalli tava gunanivaham yavanananda purvam na swartham sprashtu mishte skharati pathiparam Mukalayam nililye hantaivam tadgunanam avadigananayoho kakatha chittavachoho. What is the meaning of this Sanskrit sloka? We will explain. Let us go to the next slide. Similarly, Srivastaka Mishra, father of Parasara Bhatta, in his Sundara Bhavastava, he says one thing about the Ananda of the Lord. Parasara Bhatta says the Ananda of the Lord has been attempted for measurement by Vedas. But was it successful? How successful it was? Everything will explain in the following slides. But now let us go to Srivastaka Mishra, father of Parasara Bhatta, who says, Ekaika Mangala Gunanubhavabhinandam Idriki Tu Iyanitija Sundar Gotti Krishne Teye Satam Titi Nigantu Manashrutirhai Naivaisha Vangmanasa Gojara Ityudaha. He also says, Vedas attempted to measure Ananda, but what was the result? Let us go to Ananda. He also speaks about this. Upari abja bhuvopi purusha prakalpyate svanityanukramat girastvadaika gunavadhipsaya sadastitana udyavatodi sharate. I have summed up all these slokas. You will not, please don't be panic why it is going on in Sanskrit. It will come in English. But first let us listen in Sanskrit. That will be making the lecture few. That is why I am trying for that. Anandakshe vimane vasatiriga yadaha teta tasmat parastvam sya anando nashanka vridagiri vigrite venkatesha prabhutvam padmavatya priyasan shrutisila manasam vachapevam dure krippananda simnaha Vigrati Paramananda Anandadagi. I will come back to this sloka at the end of the lecture. Probably you may not need my explanation for that, you would have understood it. Now let us go how the Vedas try to explain the Ananda of the Lord. Some of us may be physics students. Why many of us understand science today. But you know Veda, I always admire Veda as the most scientific text in our country. We know Newton's second law. It says, force is directly proportional to change of momentum, mass into acceleration. F is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. F is equal to kma. That means what is the constant? Proportional we say 2 or 3 or 4, we don't know. Scientists found out a way of getting out of this. They said, let us have 1 unit of force which will displace 1 unit of mass with an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square. Then the force